Many people think of science as simply a collection of facts. Science is a systematic study of natural events and conditions. Scientific subjects can be anything in the living or non-living world. In general, all scientific subjects can be broken down into three areas: life science, earth science, and physical science. Life science or biology is the study of living things. Life scientists may study anything from how plants produce food to how animals interact in the wild. Earth science or geology is the study of the surface and interior of the earth. An earth scientist may study how rocks form or what past events produced the volcano you see in the photo. Physical science includes the subjects of physics and chemistry. Physicists and chemists study matter and energy. They may study the forces that hold matter together or the ways electromagnetic waves travel through space. Whatever information one scientist collects, others must be able to see and comment upon. The need for openness is important because scientific ideas must be testable and reproducible. This means that if one scientist arrives at an explanation based on something he or she observed, that scientist must make the data available to other scientists. If scientific evidence must be open to all, it needs to be the kind of evidence all can observe. It must be something measurable and not just one person's opinion or guess. Evidence in science must be evidence that can be gained by the senses or empirical evidence. Empirical evidence includes observations and measurements. It includes all the data that people gather and test to support and evaluate scientific explanations. Now, you've learned what science is and how to make a proper scientific explanation. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel.